Let's see question 7 that reads like this. A scientist counts 80 cells in a Petri dish and finds that each one splits into 2 new cells every hour. He uses the function A of t equals c times r up to t to calculate the total number of cells in the Petri dish after t hours. Which of the following assigns the correct values to C and R? Okay, notice that clearly there is an exponential growth pattern indicated by this equation. What does C represent here? Notice that C is the value obtained in this equation when you substitute T for 0. It is C times R up to 0, but R up to 0 is 1, equals 1. So this is simply C. So A of 0 equals C means the initial size of the population of cells in the Petri dish. Since the scientist counts at the beginning of the experiment 80 cells in a Petri dish, so we deduce that the value of C must be 80. Okay? It must be 80. So with this, we can discard option A. C is not 40, but 80. Now, what about R? R must be the geometrical ratio by which this population of cells increases. But here in the problem says that this population increases by doubling the population every hour. How do we know that? Because it says each one splits into 2 new cells. So here, clearly, we need to consider that the value of R equals 2. So clearly, the function would be A of t equals 80 times 2 up to t. The correct answer choice, therefore, would be option